Some snowflakes today. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Hello? What's this shape? A square? How many sides does a square have?
4.
4. This shape here is called a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3. This shape here is called a diamond.
4.
4 sides. And this shape here is called a trapezoid.
4 sides.
4 sides. And so what we've got here is we've got 2 versions of a snowflake starter, pattern starter. We've got one that's already colored and one that's in black and white outline. Okay, so I've cut out the shapes for you. And then if you need any more shapes, we've got this extra sheet here.
Need some glue?
You do need some glue, yeah? So you're going to glue yours on top of the other hexagon there? Is that what you want to do? Okay, sure. I didn't think about that, but that's a pretty good idea too. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah, sure. And what shape is that, Elliot?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay.
It looks like a head with a little...
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Which shape is that, Gabriel? What's that one called?
Triangle.
A diamond. That's called a diamond, yeah. Where are you going to put that one? Right there? Okay. Nice gluing. What shape's that one called, Elliot?
Diamond.
Diamond, okay. Elliot's extending his snowflake, Gabriel. He's putting on additional shapes around his snowflake to grow it, to make it bigger. What's that shape called?
Hexagon.
Wow, that looks like a very cold snowflake. Woo! I think we've run out of hexagons. So you can use this sheet here. Okay. Is that finished, or would you like to continue?
It's finished.
It's finished? Where could we put it? Where could we display it?
No, I'd like to cut it and put it on the Christmas tree.
Cut it and put it on the Christmas tree. That sounds like a fantastic idea. Let's do that. Okay? Would you like to say goodbye?
Bye.
See you soon.